Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to address one of the questions that have always been asked Chao, and that is, can we use a liquid whipping cream for use with a cream whipper? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I have shown you in a previous video tutorial how to use a cream whipper using whipping cream powder. This time it is going to be a liquid whipping cream. Now I'm going to use here a budget whipping cream, which in another video tutorial I have shown that this is perfect for drinks if you are looking at a lower or more budget friendly whipping cream. So this one is the one that I have selected to use for this experiment. Also for this video tutorial, we are going to establish how many cups can we make out of 500 ml whipping cream dispenser. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip and we are going to answer those questions. And what are the things that we need? So we need a cream whipper, 500 milliliters, one here, and I'm going to use the cream charger, which is used to pair with your cream whipper. And then we are going to make use of a scale. For the cups, to count the number of cups that will be made, I'm going to use my 2-shot glass, and we're saying that 1 cup would usually use about 2 ounces or a little bit more. I'm going to use a scale and measure how much we will put into our dispenser. So set this to 0 and I'm going to pour 500 milliliters of my whipping cream. Nearly there. Okay, just a little bit more and we will get to 500 ml. So I think I put a little bit too much, but that's okay. And now 500 milliliters in there. Make sure your whipping cream is cold. Make sure it's tight, okay? And then I am going to put my charger here. So these are cream chargers and they are not refillable and also single use. Okay, so there. I'm just going to make sure that it is tight. And now to put our gas into the chamber. So turn until you hear that sound. Okay, so that means the air has gone into the chamber. Okay, now that's very simple. It's a lot simpler than using your hand mixer and all those gadgets. So you just need a cream whipper. Okay, in reality it might even be cheaper using this one. It's just that you have to invest in a cream whipper. Okay, give it a good shake. It is cold. You must make sure that your whipping cream is cold. Okay, now it's time for us to try how many cups we can make. Okay, so I've got here a lot of cups, hoping we can make it last for as many as these cups, but let's find out. Wow, I will need more cups. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I still have some left here. Well, there you go. One 500 milliliters cream whipper can make as much as 16 cups. It's very easy to use, isn't it? If you are using a whipping cream and you need to use a hand mixer to whip the cream, and then you have to put it in a piping bag and onto your drinks, then it might take a little bit longer. So investing in a cream whipper, if you have a milk tea or coffee shop, is a good option. And if you are thinking of using whipping cream powder instead of the liquid whipping cream, that is also more complicated. So I would suggest that you get something like this. The cost of this is about the same as the cost of the whipping cream powder. This is a really, really good price and very budget-friendly whipping cream, which actually works. Check the video tutorial above and you will find out. We did a review of this whipping cream and it's perfectly okay for drinks. So once again, what do you need? A cream whipper, you need your whipping cream, and you need a charger. So these are the three things that you need when you make your whipped cream for your smoothies and frappuccinos. If you have any questions, do let us know, and I hope that once again this video tutorial is useful for you. You can then make costing for each of the cup depending on how much is the cost of your whipping cream. So you have to include the cost of the cream and the one-time use charger. Just for reference purposes, the cost of my whipping cream and the cost of my charger together and divided by 16 cups, the cost per cup for the whipped cream alone is about 7 Thai baht, which is about 11 pesos. Normally, when you charge a drink with a whipped cream, you charge extra for that. So take note of this costing for your pricing purposes. So that's all I would like to share with you today. Stay tuned for more of these video tutorials. I hope this is useful and that you would give your comment below if you have any question at all. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.